This is a 500 by 1000 die casting aluminum cabinet. The mature cutting process and aluminum material endow it with a light and strong frame. The superb spraying technology has created its smooth and delicate appearance. Corner guards are provided around to protect the box and module. The buckle on the power box is very convenient for switching. The space inside the box is large enough to accommodate 2 power supplies. The front design has multiple hole positions, which can meet the needs of the magnetic suction module.